Google just dropped a bombshell on the AI industry, and almost no one was ready for it. What you are looking at is a live head-to-head coding battle. On the left, the reigning champion, Claude 4.6 Opus. On the right, the brand new, just-released Gemini 3.1 Pro. I gave them both a single prompt. Build me a landing page with a complex, moving 3D sphere animation in the middle based on a reference screenshot. Let's see who actually builds the better application. Look at how fast this is. Claude 4.6 Opus finishes up and gives us sentient Core 5.9. It instantly spun up a React app using 3.js. The red neural network sphere is rotating, the particle effects are smooth, and the CSS is perfectly aligned. It's brilliant. But now look at Gemini 3.1 Pro on the right. It took the exact same prompt and built a completely distinct, highly complex 3D node structure. It understood the physics, the spatial reasoning, and the exact aesthetic I was looking for. Previously, Claude was the undisputed king of zero-shot UE generation. But this proves Gemini has leveled up in a massive way. And to understand why, we need to look at the data. Yesterday, Google quietly published this, Gemini 3.1 Pro, a smarter model for your most complex tasks, and they brought the receipts. Pause the video and look at these benchmarks. They are openly comparing Gemini 3.1 Pro against Claude 4.6 Opus and OpenAI's unreleased GPT 5.3, and it is dominating. On the SWE-Bench Pro, the absolute gold standard for autonomous software engineering, Gemini 3.1 hits 54.2%, crushing Claude. On the Terminal Bench 2.0 for agentic tools, it scores over 60%. This isn't just a chatbot anymore. Google has fundamentally re-engineered this model to act as an autonomous agent that can navigate complex logic, fix its own bugs, and execute code without you holding its hand. And Google isn't just relying on spreadsheet numbers, they are showing real-world application. Look at what happens when you combine advanced reasoning with visual generation. It can take complex, raw data and synthesize it into stunning interactive interfaces. Look at this real-time 3D orbital tracker for the International Space Station. The model had to bridge complex telemetry APIs with user-friendly front-end code to make this work. Or this, generating complete, believable city environments and simulating traffic flow. This requires an insane amount of spatial intelligence and logic layering. They have effectively built a model that can visualize the code it is writing before it even hits the browser. But I don't just trust marketing videos, so I took it back to the battleground. Round 2. I asked both models to build a complex Pinterest-style masonry pin grid with save buttons and detailed CSS gradient patterns. Claude 4.6 Opus builds a beautiful responsive layout, hover states, perfect padding, drop shadows. It's exactly what you'd expect from Anthropic. But check out Gemini 3.1 Pro. It nailed the complex masonry layout perfectly. It integrated vibrant dynamic gradients, perfect card spacing, and an incredibly clean UI structure. The fact that Gemini is now going toe-to-toe with Claude on front-end design means developers finally have a legitimate, top-tier alternative for app generation. If we jump over to the DeepMind technical page, they highlight exactly what makes this possible. They are pushing Agentic Coding to the forefront. Gemini 3.1 Pro isn't just designed to autocomplete a Python script. It is designed to take a massive, multi-step project, delegate tasks, read through a massive 2 million token context window, and build the architecture from scratch. It is state-of-the-art in multimodal understanding, meaning you can feed it wireframe sketches, hours of video, or messy code bases, and it will give you a pristine output. For our final test, I threw a UX nightmare at them. Build a TikTok-style vertical scrolling interface with overlaying creator info and infinite scroll mechanics. Once again, both models deliver incredible results. Claude provides a clean, pink-themed interface with smooth vertical snapping, but Gemini delivers a rich, dark mode-ready UI with perfect icon placement and video placeholders. The execution speed is phenomenal. The AI wars have officially entered a new era, and the winner is whoever knows how to use this tech. And that brings me to the most important part of this video. Having access to Gemini 3.1 Pro or Claude 4.5 Opus means nothing if you don't have the systems to monetize them. That is exactly why I built the AI Money Forge. Inside my private school community, we aren't just testing prompts, we are building real businesses. We have full courses on AI automation, Make.com integration templates, and our brand new in-depth blueprint on exactly how to prepare for GPT-5. The community is growing fast, and we are sharing the exact workflows to turn these powerful AI models into autonomous employees that run 24/7. Stop renting your intelligence and start building your empire. Click the link in the description to join the Forge right now, and I'll see you on the inside.